Pooja Mishra, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, is also with us. What will you say, for Congress Party and the comment that Rahul Gandhi really made? Because Aam Aadmi Party, we know how Aam Aadmi Party reacted. Aam Aadmi Party also wanted Congress out of the INDIA bloc. We've seen what Umar Abdullah had to say, aur lado saath mein. I mean, what is really happening in INDIA bloc? Are you guys going to stay together, or it's all over now?
And currently, Hina, we are together and we will be fighting together. Talking about the India bloc, we think, Samajwadi Party thinks that there should be a change of leadership. We are having, I think, crisis with the leadership, and we want discussion on the change of leadership. And talking about what the spokesperson said, that the local leaders are incompetent, I don't agree with that. Leaders are competent. They have the caliber, they have the capability. And the problem is with the leadership of India bloc. This is what Samajwadi Party thinks. And talking about the statement what Rahul Gandhi made, I think it's very true. Talking about the Mayawati ji, she has been acting like the B team of BJP, whether in elections of 2024 and whatever Mayawati said. She said that when she fight with other parties, she loses her core votes. Her core vote transfer to the other party, and the other party's core vote doesn't transfer to her. And talking about the 2019 election, she won 19 seats when she was contesting election with us. Rather than that, we won just five seats at that time. So I think it's a wrong statement. She has been acting like the team of BJP.
Okay, and, Radhika Kheda, Rahul Gandhi calls Mayawati BSP B team of the BJP. In fact, we just heard Samajwadi Party calling BSP B team of the BJP. Then Congress Party was also called as the B team of the BJP by Mayawati. How will you like to respond? Is Congress Party under Rahul Gandhi actually the B team of the BJP? Because that's the claim that's being made today.
But it's a joke what Mayawati ji has said, and earlier Aam Aadmi Party had also said. Mayawati ji is absolutely copying the exact words of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, and it is so stupid. Stupid is the real word for it, Hina. Saying that the Congress is the B team of the Bharatiya Janata Party. We are absolutely two different ideological parties. One is absolute different directions. The Bharatiya Janata Party has always worked for the country. हम देश विरोधी काम नहीं करते, हम देशभक्ति के काम करते हैं. When everybody knows Rahul Gandhi's fight is against the Indian state. He is an anti-India movement that is being led by him and by the Congress. So saying that the Congress and BJP are one is the stupidest form of politics that one can have, and just shows how deranged they are politically. Having said that, it's an interesting topic that you have here. We can clearly see not just the Congress, the entire India alliance is collapsing, and it is only because of Rahul Gandhi. See, his own people are rejecting him, and continuously we saw that in Jharkhand also. After they won Jharkhand, they were refused the deputy chief minister post. In Jammu and Kashmir, they were not given any minister berths. So it's very clear that what we have been saying all along, whether it is Shri Narendra Modi ji, Amit Shah ji, or JP Nadda ji, they were parasites, and that's what they have realized. See, and we also saw how very easily in the assembly elections, everyone said that India alliance khatam hai. Aam Aadmi Party said it on record. And then you had the India alliance other members like the Samajwadi Party campaigning against the Congress because they were with alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. So it's a khichdi.
It's a khichdi, says the BJP. Parjeevi was the word used by the Prime Minister, BJP, and even allies also seem to be, going in that direction, except the Congress Party. Now, I want to ask Rohit Agarwal, spokesperson of the RLD. Now, viewers, RLD also used to be a part of the INDIA bloc, but then came out of it. So, I want to ask you, you heard all the sides here. Do you think it's this inability of Rahul Gandhi or of Congress Party under Rahul Gandhi to own up to the defeats that the condition of the party today has become like this?
See, INDA bloc do not have any vision for the country, and they were just was trying to build a narrative to mislead the country people. That's why we run away from this India alliance. Also, Congress do not have any relevance in Uttar Pradesh politics. We can see that if they would have not had alliance with Samajwadi Party, they would have even not able to win this Raebareli seat also. And Rahul Gandhi ji should understand that in last 30 years, they have not even touched the 50% vote of BSP has achieved in last 30 years election. And they are alleging on Mayawati ji, where the SP spokesperson herself is saying that we were not interested in any coalition with BSP in 2024 election. Then how can Rahul Gandhi can allege BSP? So इनके पास ना कोई विजन है, ना कोई नेता है, और राहुल गांधी तो खुद ही बोझ हैं कांग्रेस के ऊपर. Mayawati ji is a self-made leader. She is not like Rahul Gandhi, who is imposed on Congress party. And even
so, opposition still feels INDIA bloc is united. They have a vision to defeat Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but BJP and the NDA is saying, but because there is no mission, no vision, and that's the reason why it seems the INDA bloc today is collapsing. But no sort of sense of introspection that we can see coming in within the Congress party. That's the big debate, that is currently what we are seeing in the country. I'm completely out of time, but thank you.